right, we're here in North Carolina, China Grove, North Carolina, and we've picked up a 2010, and it's an Acura TL, and it looks pretty good, I must say. Okay, so walk you around here. It's got front end damage. Need that front clip, and interior smells good. Looks pretty clean. Needs to be, I mean, I'd clean it even more. It's got the airbag deployed. In the back, it's immaculate. Tires are all good. Got a little bend in the fender right here and right here, so most likely I might be able to bend that out myself. And then this piece needs to be replaced. The grill. Well, I think I might take that off. Here we are at Copart, the Atlanta East location, and we picked up this Xterra. It's a 2001 with 195,000 miles on it. On top of the engine, looks absolutely excellent. Underneath, got a good bit of oil caked on everything pretty much. So it's got an oil leak somewhere, or a fluid leak, maybe even power steering fluid, who knows. Notice inside wear on this tire right here. Other than that, the tires look all brand new, or pretty close to it. I think they replaced the back recently, but the front don't need to be replaced yet. It's got step bars, it's got the roof rack. The paint is in really good shape. No rust that I've seen at all. You obviously see this dent right here, and looks like they put some rhino liner or something, not the good stuff, but real cheap stuff on this and all the black stuff. So I'm gonna have to do another coat on that to make it look good. Spare tires, full tread. All the doors work so far. Interior looks really good. Back looks good, no stains at all. Even the front, I don't think there's any stains in it. Maybe a little bit on the passenger seat. It's got an aftermarket radio with remote. It's 4-wheel drive, automatic, V6. It's got cruise control. It's got a sunroof. It's got the owner's manual with it. So we're doing pretty good. This one so far. So far we have paid a little over $1,300. I think it was like $1,375 or $1,385. So that's kind of where we're at on this one. As you can see, it needs some center caps. Got a little bend right here. I don't know what's going on with this. Probably something pretty simple. Looks bent. Maybe it's adjustable. Not sure. But this one looks further in than the other side. Don't know what's going on there. It's in good shape. You see that material on here, material on here. It actually doesn't look too bad. Just needs another coat of paint on it. And those would look really good. Need bumper. These headlights look absolutely amazing under the protection layer. If you look at that, so we'll probably try to take that off of there. Definitely new grill, definitely new bumper. Maybe not new, but new to me. Front end alignment, new fender. The hood, we're just going to do some body work on it, repaint it, or just get another one. It's got a lot of hail damage on it, and not sure if I'm that good with Bondo or pulling those dents out, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, just wanted to kind of do a little video of what we got today. And it is March 31st, 2022. And this is the second one we picked up this week. And anyway, it looks really nice. And I think it's going to drive nice and all that good stuff. So we'll just we'll see what it does. This one's got hail damage, and then on top of that, they hit something here. Needs a new fender. The hood's got hail damage enough that you would probably want to replace that. But I've already ordered the paint and everything for this and that, for a new fender and maybe a used fender, used hood, something like that. Interior looks pretty good. It's popping because hitting the fender. The floor mats are in the back, but look at that seat. That seat looks near perfect. It hadn't been reupholstered. You can tell it's original, but looks pretty darn good. And here, we've got a 2010 Acura TL. It's got a real nice V6. Both of the air conditioners work on these, by the way. Check out this interior. It looks sweet. So aerodynamic and everything. Very nice leather. No tears at all. Not sure what that is. Straw. Sunroof again. This one was white pearl.